Hello all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to go over some things this winter that are fixing it, updating things, making things better on my Turbo RR. What we're gonna do today is we're going to put windows on this thing. I bought some from Kemimoto. They're about 150 bucks. I got the upgraded version, so we'll see how they turn out and if they go on without any problems, or if I have problems, and I'll try to explain it along the way. Anyway, we're going to start by removing the roof, because that's the first thing that's got to come off. Got to get the roof off. There's 4 clips. These 4 just come off, and then there's a couple of Velcro straps on the inside. Up in here, yes, it's dark, I know, sorry, but there's nothing you can do about it when you're no lights. And that'll pretty much take the roof off. One of the things that's nice about these, when you do get the roof off, as you can see, there's a lot of dust, so you can vacuum it, clean it, and get some of the dust that you couldn't get on a normal basis out of here. So yeah, it helps out quite a bit. Makes things clean, because if anybody who rides these things around knows they are dusty. Well, I had another GoPro set up and it wasn't working the way I wanted it to, so I'm gonna have to take short videos of how this thing goes together. Took the roof off. As you can see, most of the stuff on the roof, I blew it off, got all the dirt and dust out of it. And I'm going to put these on next, put this on. I think the opportune thing here to do is to leave these kind of set and relax a little bit, because as you can see, they are wrinkled all to hell. But the windshield's also got to get loosened up, so I'm going to do that, and I'll show you how it goes. Well, so far, wrapped these around here. There's 3 straps, wrapped them around. They have clasp in the back, pretty simple. Put this one back here. It wrapped around this back pillar back here. I'm going to try to figure out a little nicer way to put it on. The instructions aren't real clear. And then there's a strap right here that's pretty positive goes into that bolt right there. So we're going to get her all hooked up. And okay, passenger side's done. You have to wrap this strap around here. 3 straps around here. 1, 2, 3. One goes underneath the windshield here, here, and here. This one is not made for my mirror, so it's fitting a little funky around there. I haven't decided if I'm going to pull the mirror off and buy a new mirror, because there's a pocket right here for a mirror to go around right here, so I've got to figure that out. This thing is Velcroed down to the door, which I'm not a big fan of, and I might buy some snaps and put some snaps for the door right through here, some black snaps, and hold that down. We'll see how it works. We'll try to use it stock for the year, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I decided we'd just speed this up a little bit. Basically, you had to pry the windshield up to get those straps underneath that I showed on the other side. As you can see, it's a little bit of work to get them underneath there. I had to slide them in because there's a seal on there, then get it around there to get it so it was on the clasp, and then get it to lock down. Took the bolt out in the back. I'll show that a little again at the end of the video. Put that bolt in so it kind of holds the bottom of it to the side-by-side. It does make it a little bit more permanent than I wanted, but for the most part, I think it holds it in place better. I already have the straps on. I cleaned it up with some alcohol right here, made sure that everything was good so that it was clean before I took the backing off of the Velcro, and then I just mounted the Velcro on there. I took a hair dryer to it because the hair dryer needed to kind of loosen up the plastic. It was really wrinkly. I mean, really bad. And I'm sure as the summer hits and everything warms up, it'll be in place a lot better. It'll look better. But I wanted to make it so I could use it during the winter this winter, so I took a hair dryer to it. Basically, right here, I'm just opening and closing with the zipper undone. Tried to get it so that I could roll it up, make it look good, see how it rolled up, how it fit. Yeah, and that's about it. So, putting the roof stuff, or the windshield, tightening those down. I had to loosen all those up to get the straps underneath there. They would not go through, just trying to do it on their own. So, real quick job of tightening those up. And then you'll see here that I'm going to put the roof on next. Getting the roof on is pretty simple. Get in there, get the straps lined up, get them underneath the windshield. Once they're underneath the windshield, you put the 4 quarter turns on. Once those quarter turns are on, it's pretty much a done deal. heater is an ice crusher heater. Right now it's saying it's 19 degrees outside, 57 in here. We're gonna give it a few minutes and see how high it can get. Right now the engine temp is 201. As I've been riding around, I got all the vents opened up. Trying to blow some heat around in here. So we'll see, it's already up to 58. We'll see how long it takes for it to get up there. Up to, I don't know, see how high it gets. So I've been sitting here for about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so watching the temperature and the thing change. One of the cool things, when this thing hits and opens up for the heater, it drops this thing down to about 185, which if anybody runs these side-by-sides, they know they run a little bit on the warm side. I mean, not horrible, but a little bit. And it's crawling back up now, but as soon as that thermostat opens up, man, it drops it down to 180 right away. We're sitting here now at 63, 19 degrees outside. I've got the windows up, plastic in the back, plastic in the sides, glass in the front. But as you guys can see, I mean, there's gaps. You know, when I was rolling down the road, oh, it's up to 64. Could easily get this thing up to 70, I'm pretty sure. Again, this is Ice Crusher Heaters. Check them out on their website. I'll put a link down below. They're pretty cool. The guy did it for me, and the name is Scott. Scott's an awesome guy. Give him a holler. He deserves it. He deserves the work. He deserves all the recognition he can get. This thing does rock pretty good. Like I said, it's 64 right now. It's 19 outside according to the thermostat that I have outside, or the thermometer. The one I've got inside here on my phone says it's 14 out, so I don't know exactly what the temperature is, but pretty cold, and it's still cranking up. I mean, it's 64 degrees, so all in all, it's not too bad. And with gaps, when you get going and riding it around, which I did a little bit ago, it was down to about 55 in here, but when it's 19 degrees, 55 is pretty warm, so no complaints.